You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 13, defining SLA in Jira Service Management. Let's move ahead. To perform this lab, we need to log in into home.atlassian. I have already logged in into home.atlassian. Now let's click on Jira Service Management and we'll go to space setting. Click on these three dots or more actions and go to space settings. On space setting, on SLA, let's click on SLA. On SLA, in time to resolution, click on edit. Now, on time to resolution, check property. So we are in SLA. Let me show you once again. SLA, time to resolution, click on edit. On time to resolution, under priority, see these are the priority. Highest priority request should be closed with solution. Solution should be provided within 12 hours. High priority 24 hours and so on. So, based on the requirement, we will change the time target. So, let's say just an example over here. If the highest priority should be of 8 hours, we can make it 8 hours. So, now the time target should be defined as per the organization's requirement. Here I am considering it as 8 hours. Just for an example, we'll scroll down and we'll click on save. Okay, so here if you see, I have just updated the highest priority resolution time. Now let's move ahead on service level agreement. Now it's time to click on time to first response. We'll click on edit. So highest time, we'll again edit and we'll make it as 1 hour. So now it's about response, not about resolution. Solution should be provided within 8 hours. Response should be provided within 1 hour. Now we are going to save this as well. Okay, here if you see, we have highest time to first response. Now let's go back to click on service level agreement again. And now this time we are going to edit time to close after resolution. Resolution is provided, but still request is there, ticket is there. So you need to close this request. So it is called time to close after resolution. When you are closing the request, click on edit. Again over here, we'll keep it as 12 hours. We'll just make a change as 12 hours as per the organization requirement. And then click on save and then close this. With this, we have completed scenario number 13. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.